If you're wondering, does Booking.com offer a price match? Yes, it does. They don't make it very obvious on the website, but let me show you where you can find those details. For that, you first need to choose a hotel. So let's assume I want to book this hotel. I will click on See Availability here. And then on the hotels page, I will choose a room and then click on Reserve option. And on the following page where it is asking me to confirm all the details, as you scroll down towards the bottom, next to this button, you will see this We Price Match. This is where you will find all the details of their price match promise. You can click on this text and that will open the details of their price match guarantee. Now, before I move on to the next step to show you how you can start a price match claim, one thing I would like to highlight is there is a key feature of Booking.com price match guarantee. It allows you to start a price match claim up to 24 hours before your check-in. Most of the other travel websites, they give you 24 hours window within making a reservation to start a price match. But Booking.com price match works completely different way. So if you have booked a stay 1 year in advance, you have all that year to make sure the price you booked is the best price for your stay. And you can read all the details of their price match guarantee at your leisure. Let me show you how you would start a price match if it comes to that. So for that, you need to log into Booking.com from your computer and hover to the top right. You will see your profile image here. Click on that and click on Bookings. And then click on your booking once again. Then you need to click on your hotel name once again. And that will open up your booking details page. Now to start a price match claim, you will find this option on the right-hand side, found this Stay Cheaper Elsewhere. Click on that. And ideally, clicking on such an option should take you to a screen where you can just simply start your claim, but that is not how Booking.com wants it. They just don't want to make it so obvious. Now, the next step you need to do is click on this Contact Customer Service option here under Need Help. And on the following page, click on this last option, which is Other Topic. And there you will find the first option is Price Match Claim. So click on that. And first you will click on Check Eligibility. It will lead you to a page where it will remind you of all their policies, etc. And they will open in a new window. You will need to go back to the previous screen again. And then either you can click on Message Us or More Contact Options, and that will give you the phone number for that. Now at this point, you would assume you have clicked so much on Price Match Claim, the person you will speak to will know you're talking about a price match. That is not true. You are going to land in a generic area. They're going to ask you all the details of why you're talking to them and what is the problem and all those things. But unfortunately, that is how Booking.com works. We can't do much about it, but this is how you would start a price match claim. I really hope you find this video useful. I wish you a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.